Hey kids, what time is it?
Adventure time!
How about you up here?
Adventure time!
That's right. Where are we going?
We're going to a mountain, a canyon.
We're going to go on a bike ride with our e-bikes. So this is the first time I've loaded up the Talaria on the trailer along with all three of their e-bikes. And they're all strapped down and hopefully padded from marring each other's paint finishes. And they're all fully charged. Our trailer is hitched up to our Tesla Model S with this trailer hitch that I installed. I'll put a card above to the video where I installed this. It's the Torque Lift Eco Hitch Stealth trailer hitch. And then I have the WaySafe hitch right here on it. So I'll put a card above to when I unboxed that as well. And the tongue weight almost doesn't register at all, but it's about 100 pounds of tongue weight. And this trailer hitch is rated for 300 pounds of tongue weight, so this is very light duty for it. So we're gonna go up to American Fork Canyon and have some fun. Are you excited, girls?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Oh, I shouldn't say girls, because James is here too. You excited?
Yeah.
We have a 16-mile drive ahead of us. It's going to take about 34 minutes, and it's estimated that we'll arrive at 36%. You can see we're starting at 54%, and right now we're actually charging off of our travel trailer. So you can see it's pulling 10 amps right now, and you can see over here it indicates 2 kilowatts. And if we look down here at my phone, this shows the Victron electrical system in the trailer, and you can see it's currently getting 1,000 watts of solar, and it's withdrawing 1,600 watts from the trailer, and it's down to 18%. So I'm going to unplug and we'll go. We have arrived at the trailhead. Looking at the energy consumption over the last 15 miles, you can see it was 837 watt-hours per mile, which is far higher than the 300 right here, this solid gray line that is our normal. And we're up here at the Summit Trailhead, and we're going to be riding this trail right here that is the Summit Trail that goes all the way up into that area. And we ended up arriving with 34% on the battery. I'm going to be tracking this route with Strava as we go. Are you guys all excited and ready to go? All right, all 4 of the bikes have their batteries charged to 100%, and we're gonna get on the trail. Okay, follow me. All right, everybody go in front of me. Lucy, go, right there, that trail. Go, 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 go. Girls, you might want to go on like number 2 or number 1. Clara, you're going too fast. You're going to lose control. Go on number 1 for now. Lucy, since you're in front, pay attention if anybody else is coming in the opposite direction, because this trail could have horses, it could have hikers, it could have bicyclists, and it could have dirt bike motorcycles. So as you're going along, if you hear anything coming, like a dirt bike motorcycle especially, because they go really fast, and then pull over to the side and get Lydia and Clara to do the same, okay?
Her eyes full of wonder, but her hands are tied. The mirror won't reflect her beautiful mind. She got cuts that go so deep they don't begin to explain the paths she's carrying. We can all change. Grab the first ticket on the train.
Hey girls, get off the trail. Go right here, Lydia. Okay, Clara, just lean right there. Okay, let's keep listening for a second, see if anybody else is coming.
He blames the facts that brought him in. When he was a boy and slept with fear, out of the dark came a light. He never knew existed, but followed it to heights. We can all
cool it looks. Dad, look how cool it looks.
Whoa, look at that beautiful view. We stopped here because this is the first spot that the view opens up, and it's gorgeous. There are definitely lots of fall colors to be seen up here. The Talaria is still at 100%, and girls, are your bikes still at 3 bars? Yeah, we haven't gone that far yet. According to Strava, we've been going for 18 minutes and we've only gone 0.67 miles. All right, let's keep going, Lucy. How do you girls like this trail? It's more difficult than the other one we did, huh?
Medium.
It's medium difficulty? Or medium you like it?
Medium, I like it.
All right. We've arrived at the first junction, and if we look over here at this sign, it shows that this is the Ridge Connector, and that there is the Ridge Trail that we're already on. So we've come, according to this, we've come 1 mile, which is also corresponding with Strava. I think at this point with this trail, this is intermediate level. It's a little bit difficult with the steepness combined with the rocks and the roots, so we're going to go back the way we came so that we're not getting too far up in the mountains, you know, in case the kids don't want to keep going. I don't want to be already miles away to have to then go back through all of that. But before we head back, the kids wanted to have their snacks, so we're having a 1 mile in snack before we continue on our way. Is everybody having fun? It's kind of a hard trail, huh?
1, 2, 3, go!
I see that. Are you okay? Okay, sorry about that. Whoa! She endoed it. It flipped over. I'm glad you didn't get hurt, Clara. You got this. Twist the throttle and then push it forward, and then stop pushing the throttle. There you go. There you go. Okay, now get off the roots, go to the left. Right there. Yep. Now you can go up easily on that. There you go, Clara. That was great. Good job. This is the hardest part. It's very steep and bumpy. Just keep your momentum going if you can. You're doing perfect, Clara. Good job. This is a trail that's a little too hard for them.
They're pretty close to the road.
Yeah.
It goes over the crest and we'll get a real good view, and then it's just right over the road.
We came from that direction.
Oh, you did? Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Is it Talaria or
Yeah.
Saron?
This is Talaria MX4.
Awesome.
Yeah, it works really well. It's fun.
That thing looks so fun.
It is.
I wish I had one of these, but I mean, they look awesome.
Someday, yeah.
Someday, yeah.
It's
Cool.
been fun.
Yeah, have a good day.
ride. There's another one right there.
Alright.
Good job, Lydia. Keep going. Wow, these beautiful fall colors just really make this ride amazing. Okay, keep going, Sarah. Go ahead, girl. You're already past the hardest part. Just twist that throttle and go. There you go. Good job. Go loose. Alright, it's all you, Lydia. You gotta let go of the brake first. Twist that throttle and then let go of the brake. There you go. Oh. What is this dance, Clara?
What James did.
Oh.
It's called the Jamesy dance.
Hey, Jamesy, are you doing a dance? Yes, he is. That's awesome, James. Girls, what are you thinking of this ride so far? Pretty good?
Yeah, not that good.
Is that your ride dance? Alright, let's go. Hold on, James. You got this, Clara. Go! Just tearing it up. Lydia, when you get to the highway, don't cross it, okay? Girls, that's the parking lot. We're almost back to the car. Are there any cars coming, Lydia? Just stay on. Follow me. Oh, no, don't go yet. Okay, let's go. Follow me. You guys want to ride on these trails right here a little bit? According to Strava, we were gone for an hour and a half, and we went 2.06 miles, and the Talaria is down to 98% on the battery, and the girls still have all 3 bars on their bikes. So we really didn't go as far as I thought we might, but this is as much interest as they have for the time being. I've finished loading up all of the bikes onto the trailer, same manner as when we came. And in the meantime, the kids have all been up here in the car because it's gotten cold, and they wanted to play the games on the Tesla. All right, girls, you ready to go home?
No!
No? Well, I am. Let's do it. We're all loaded up and heading home. The battery's at 33% as we leave here, and it looks like we're going to be driving for about 36 minutes and 17 miles, and it's estimating that we'll get home at 37%, which is obviously more than 33%. So let's see how it goes, since it's all downhill from here, and this is now going to be all green. Alright, we're back home, and this is what the last 15 miles looked like, and you can see we were regenning heavily. We're at negative 143 watt hours per mile. If we go to 30, the last 30 miles, you can see this is going up into the canyon, and then this was coming back down out of it. Looking at the battery, we ended up arriving at 38%. This actually got as high as 39%, and then I lost a percent as we were driving home through the city. Overall, we all had a lot of fun, and there was some learning curve going on with the difficulty of this trail was harder than what we have normally done. Hey girls, did you all have fun? All right, they all had fun. I hope this was helpful, seeing what the technology is capable of, both the Tesla towing as well as the Talaria and the Saddleback kids from Greenger that the kids were riding. And with that, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.